Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how to create a YouTube channel in 2026 step by step with full detail. I will guide you through the entire process from creating a Google account, setting up your channel name, adding a logo and banner, all the important settings that every beginner should know. This guide is perfect for beginners who want to start a YouTube channel on mobile or computer. Follow the process carefully to make your channel look professional and ready for upload videos. Now we start, and first we create our Google account, and here you can see YouTube. Click here and click on sign in. Here you can see list of my existing email accounts which are primarily used for work. I will create a separate Google account dedicated to my YouTube channel. So now I need to click on use another account. Click here. Now we need to click on create account because we are creating new channel, and here you can see list for my personal use, for kids, and for work and my business. Now I need to click on for my personal use. Click here. First name and last name. If you want to give last name then you can, otherwise it's optional. It's up to you, you want give here name or not. Now we need to click on next. Basic information we need to enter here, month, date and year, and after that select gender from this drop down and click on next. And now we need to enter here email ID. If you want you can give your own email ID, but if you want take any idea about your ID then you can click here. If you want you can pick from here, and otherwise you can create own email address, but I click here. And now I need to click on next. Now we need to create a strong password, and after that click on next. And here we need to enter recovery email ID and enter here phone number. Verify your phone number. This number should be in working because Google send us text message for 6 digit for verification code. Now I need to click on send button, and I receive one verification code. I will enter here. Privacy and terms. Now we need to scroll down and click on agree. Click here. Now we need to create our channel. Click here, and here you can see create channel. Click here, and here you can see name and handle. This name is our channel name. If you want you can make any changes in your channel name and handle. This is a unique, and each channel has a unique handle that no one else can have. And now if you want you can make any changes in your handle, and here you can see green tick, and now we are ready. And this is our profile picture. Now we need to click here. If you want pick any picture from this then you can, but I select from my computer. Click here from computer and upload from computer. This one is my profile picture, means logo. Now we need to click on done, and in few minutes we can see picture here. Now we need to click on create channel. Click here. Now we need to click on here, and here you can see YouTube studio. Click here, and this is our channel dashboard. First I show you how to upload banner, and here you can see customization. Click here, channel customization, banner image. Now we need to upload our channel banner and click on upload. Here you can see channel banner and click on done. And here you can see banner for my YouTube channel, and this is my logo. And if you want make any changes and you can remove and upload again. And here you can see the pixel for logo, these pixels for banners. If you want create banner and logo you can watch video on my channel AS Smart Guide. And now I need to show you another settings. This is your channel name, and if you want make any changes in your channel name then you can still make changes in your channel. And this one is handle. If you want make any changes in your handle then you can make any changes still. My advice, your channel keep simple, memorable and easy to spell. In this way people will not confuse to find your channel. Description. Here we need to enter description about channel, like your channel is related to blogging, traveling, food, shopping, and what kind of your channel. Here you need to enter full description about your channel. And here you can see this is your channel URL, and you can copy and you can send to your family member, friend, relatives. And here you need to enter link. If you want you can add here link like related to your Instagram, TikTok, Snapchat, any link you can enter here, like here. And here you need to enter URL. Here you need to enter your email address. It is recommended not to use the email you use regular activities like banking or personal communication, and this email will be used by people to contact you. So don't provide the same email you use to create your YouTube channel. Here you can give, if you have any other email address, so you can enter here. If someone want to contact me, they can contact through that email. Video watermark on YouTube is a small logo or image that appears in the corner of your video here, and it's help show your channel brand and also lets viewers subscribe directly by clicking on it. It's optional. If you want, you can add, otherwise it's not mandatory, but we need to add other information. And now we need to click on publish. Click here. Now we create our YouTube channel, but still left some settings for our channel. Now we need to go to setting for further verification for our channel. And now I go to setting. Here is the journal. If you want to make changes in your currency, then you can pick from this, but I continue with US dollar. And here you can see channel. Click here. And basic info, country of residency. Here you need to select your country, which country you belong. I select from here Canada. Keywords, and here you can enter keywords related to your channel. We have done basic info, and now we need to select on advanced setting. Do you want to set your channel as made for kids? If you click on yes, maybe your channel will not be verified, but I click on no, this channel is not made for kids. I almost ever upload content that made for kids, and click here. And now we need to, here you can see clips. Clip feature allow people to take short clips from your video and share them. If you do not want other to make clips from your video, you can turn off from here. And now I need to make other changes. Now we need to click on feature eligibility, and here you can see intermediate. Click on this drop down. Intermediate feature, YouTube give you more control and tools for your channel, and like upload longer video more than 15 minutes and live streaming, custom thumbnails. And if you want all these features, then you have to click on verify your phone number. Click here, and here you can see if you want text, and then you can click on just text for verification code. And if you want call me, then you can click here, but I click on text verification code and select country, and here you need to give your phone number, and after that you need to click on next, and after that you will receive one verification code on your phone, and you need to enter your verification code on the next page, and after that you are ready to go, and after that you will get more features for your channel. And now I need to click on save, and again I need to go to setting. Now we need to click on upload default. Click here, and now we need to advanced setting. Click here, and license, we have a standard YouTube license, and category, we need to select category from this drop down. Like your channel is related to gaming, music, education, entertainment, and now I click on like on gaming. You can pick here only one category from this drop down. Language and caption certificate, select from video language, and I select here like English. You can select according to you which language would you like to pick here. Title and description language, you can pick anyone from this drop down. It's totally up to you. And like here you can see number of language. You can pick anyone from this drop down. I select here United States, and you can pick anyone. And comment, if you are allow comment on your channel, then you can turn on. If you do not want any comment for your videos, then you can turn off, but I click on. And moderation, you can select from this drop down. I select here basic, and now I need to click on save, and again I need to go to setting. This one is good, and now we need to go to community moderation, and here you can see we already select these options. If you want, you can select strict, but I select on basic. This one is good, and manage, this is also good. And now we need to click on agreement, and this is now we done our settings, and this is our channel dashboard, and when we upload our videos we can see here. If someone comment for our videos we can see here, but now we cannot see anything because we didn't upload any video right now. And this one is content. You can click here, and inspiration and idea for your next video. You can take idea about your videos and videos. When you upload your videos, here you can see your videos and like comment, like, dislike. When you upload your video, visibility reactions, you can see all these things here. And short, and here you can see how many shots you upload. And live, you can check live streaming. Playlist, here you can see your all playlist related to your videos. Like if you are added two separate topics like food and shopping, you can enter all these in separate playlist. And broadcast, promotions and collaboration. And here you can see analysis. Click here, and right now you cannot see anything in here because we didn't upload any video right now. So when you upload your videos, then you can check your analysis like views and watch time, subscribe. Here you can see. And if you want like last 7 days, 28 days and last 90 days, and here you can select from this drop down and check total views here. Here you can see comments related to your videos, and from here you can reply to your viewers. And here you can see subtitle. Here you can see all videos, which one you upload and publish, and like which language you publish, like 1 or 2 language, and when you upload. And here you can see. And customization, we have already done our customization. And here is the audio library. Here if you want select any music from here, then you can select and add in your videos, and it will not be a copyright. If you want, you can pick anyone from this, like I will show you here. And if you want, this is the music for our now we are done. If in future if you want change your logo and banner, you can change anytime. If you want create a logo and banners, I already make one video and you can watch on my channel AS Smart Guide. And if you like my videos, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you everyone for watching this video.